Areca Palm Growing Guide, Part 2. Welcome back to our Areca Palm Growing Guide. In Part 1, we explored the basics: introduction, ideal soil, planting, and repotting techniques. If you missed that video, the link is in the description. Today, we'll continue from where we left off, starting with fertilizing, then propagation, common care problems, benefits, and our final tips. Let's get started. Number 4. Fertilizing the Areca palm. Areca palms are moderate feeders. During the active growing season, that's of spring and summer, use a balanced liquid fertilizer like a 10-10-10 or 20-20-20 NPK formula once every 2 to 4 weeks. Dilute it to half the recommended strength to prevent root burn. Avoid over-fertilizing because too much fertilizer can lead to brown tips on the leaves. In autumn and winter, cut back on, feeding to once every 6 to 8 weeks, or stop entirely as the plant grows more, slowly during cooler months. Number 5. Propagation methods. The easiest way to propagate an Areca palm is through division, when your plant becomes mature and has multiple stems, or clumps. Gently remove it from the pot and separate the clumps with healthy roots attached. Plant these divisions in fresh, well-draining potting mix and water lightly until new growth appears. Areca palms are not typically grown from seeds indoors, as seed germination is slow and requires specific tropical conditions. Number 6. Common problems and solutions. Like all houseplants, Areca palms can face a few issues. Yellow leaves, often caused by overwatering or poor drainage. Always let the top layer of soil dry slightly before watering. Brown tips, usually from low humidity. Underwatering or over-fertilizing. Mist the leaves regularly and check your fertilizer dosage. Pests. Watch for spider mites, mealybugs, and scale insects. Treat early with neem oil or an insecticidal soap spray. Slow growth could be due to low light or root-bound conditions. Move the plant to a brighter spot or repot if roots are crowded. Number 7. Benefits of Areca palm. The Areca palm is more than just a beautiful tropical plant. It's one of the best natural air purifiers, as recognized by NASA's Clean Air Study, helping to remove toxins like formaldehyde and xylene from indoor air. It also releases moisture, making it a natural humidifier, perfect for dry indoor climates. Beyond health benefits, it's lush green. Fronds bring a fresh, calming, and tropical feel to your home or office decor. Number 8. Conclusion and call to action. The Areca palm is a low-maintenance, eco-friendly, and stunning plant that can thrive for years with the right care. Remember the essentials: well-draining soil, proper watering, bright indirect light, occasional feeding, and regular monitoring for pests. This concludes our 2-part Areca palm growing guide. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow plant lovers, and subscribe for more gardening guides. Until next time, happy planting!